Top 5 companies that are creating female humanoid robots. Robots are becoming increasingly important as they can automate many jobs and tasks. As a result, humans can become free of dangerous and routine tasks and can devote more time to helping others. Humanoids can even replace humans in some jobs, such as rescue operations and compassionate care. Let's check out the top companies that are creating humanoids. Number 5. Macco Robotics. Macco Robotics is a Spain-based company that specializes in developing creative and friendly humanoid robots for different sectors, such as leisure and entertainment, marketing, health, education, tourism, and engineering household robots. The company was founded back in 2013. They work in two ways: developing their own robots and representing third marks, which will develop the necessary software to generate the final product sought. Made by Seville, Spain-based Macco Robotics, Kime is a humanoid food and beverage serving robot. Measuring about 2 square meters, the Kime features a robotic head and torso and has 2 articulating arms that can be used to grab and dispense beverages. If you've ever worked in a bar, you know you can't just shoot a beer straight into a glass. There's some subtlety to it. The Kime's hands pull the tap appropriately and angles the glass properly for a correct pour. Macco Robotics CTO Kish Ranganathan told me by phone this week that the Kime can pour 1 beer in 23 seconds. Number 4. Samsung Electronics. South Korea's Samsung Electronics Co. is eyeing the metaverse and robotics as keys to the global tech giant's future. At the same time, it is seeking acquisitions in the artificial intelligence, 5G, and automotive electronics sectors. Many people are unaware of the fact that Samsung also has research going into humanoids. Samsung Vice Chairman Han Jong-hee announced that robots will become the company's new area of business, saying, "We have accumulated technology in various robot areas and reviewed commercialization so that future generations can experience life companion robots." Samsung has been unveiling different types of service robots every year. At the Consumer Electronics Show, CES, in 2019, Samsung launched the Samsung Bot robotics platform and unveiled a fleet of robots, including Samsung Bot Care, Air and Retail, and an exoskeleton-assisted wearable robot called GEMS. At the 2020 event, the company came up with Bolly, a small ball-shaped companion robot designed to help consumers around the house. The company also introduced Samsung Bot Handy, a robot that can help out with various household chores. Number 3. Hanson Robotics Limited. Hanson Robotics Limited is a Hong Kong-based engineering and robotics company, known for its development of human-like robots with artificial intelligence for consumer, entertainment, service, healthcare, and research applications. The most famous creation of this company must be Sophia, a female social humanoid robot developed by the company that took the world by storm. Sophia was activated on February 14, 2016, and made her first public appearance soon after in Austin, Texas, United States. Sophia has been covered by media around the globe and has participated in many high-profile interviews. In October 2017, Sophia was given Saudi Arabian citizenship and became the first robot to receive citizenship of any country. In 2017, Sophia was named the United Nations Development Programme's first innovation champion and is the first non-human to be given a United Nations title. Sophia is a robot of many talents. She speaks, jokes, sings, and even makes art. In March, she caused a stir in the art world when a digital work she created as part of a collaboration was sold at an auction for $688,888 in the form of a non-fungible token, or NFT. David Hanson, CEO of Hong Kong-based Hanson Robotics and Sophia's creator, has been developing robots for the past 2.5 decades. He believes realistic-looking robots can connect with people and assist in industries such as healthcare and education. Hanson said in an interview, "Sophia is the culmination of a lot of arts and engineering, and the idea that she could then generate art was a way for her to emotionally and visually connect with people." Sophia will carry on painting, Hanson said, and the next step in the robot's career could be that of a musician. She is working on several musical works in a project called Sophia Pop, where she collaborates with human musicians to generate music and lyrics. Hanson said, "We're so excited about Sophia's career as an artist." Number 2. The Shadow Robot Company. The Shadow Robot Company was founded in 1987 by a group of robotics enthusiasts in London. The group has since evolved into one of the longest-running robotics companies in the UK, developing dexterous robotics manipulation technologies, hands for robots, and using them to solve real-world problems. Proto Labs has worked with the company for several years, producing high-quality parts in the short timeframes demanded by the innovation process in this fast-moving industry. The flexibility of its production technology is perfectly suited to the high speed of development in robotics. Their most famous and mind-blowing creation is the Shadow Dexterous Hand, which is one of the most advanced robot hands in the world. It's designed to replicate as much of the functionality, dimensions, and range of motion of the human hand as possible. The Shadow Hand can be combined with tactile sensors and controlled via a haptic glove for touch feedback, enabling users to perform manipulation tasks at a remote location without physically being there. With 20 actuated degrees of freedom, force sensors, and ultra-sensitive touch sensors on the fingertips, the hand can perform many tasks previously beyond the reach of robots. The hand can be used as a teleoperation tool or mounted on a range of robot arms as part of a robot system. Applications include product testing and manufacturing in sectors ranging from pharmaceuticals to farming. As the Shadow Robot Company's head of production, Juan Laforga, says, "We have a strong commitment to pushing the boundaries in robotic manipulation. We know we can rely on Proto Labs to support this through its responsiveness and high-quality standards." Number 1. UBTech Robotics. UBTech Robotics is a developer of intelligent humanoid robotics and AI technologies based out of China. Since the establishment of the company, UBTech has continued to create new products and innovate technologies with the mission of bringing robots into every home and business by making them more intelligent, personal, and human-like in every way. Recently, UBTech unveiled the Walker X robot. It is designed like the human body, with arms, legs, and a head driven by 41 high-torque servo motor joints. The robot has hands complete with fingers that allow it to perform tasks using fine motor skills. It can grab objects, squeeze them, and even perform actions that are quite difficult for robots. For example, open a bottle cap. The robot can hold 3 kilograms of payload per hand. Walker X is able to autonomously navigate in familiar and new places using the standard algorithm for this task of simultaneous localization and mapping, or SLAM. When moving, the robot uses depth cameras to avoid collisions with people and objects. In addition, engineers have made it extremely stable by equipping it with a dynamic balancing system so that even hitting with a ball cannot bring it down. The robot can communicate with humans in 2 ways. First, it has speech recognition and voice synthesis system. And secondly, a large screen is installed in the head and eye level, imitating the facial expressions of the eyes. In total, the robot will be able to express 28 types of emotions. With significant improvement in physical performance, autonomous intelligence, and human-to-robot interactions, Walker X took another step closer to becoming the gold standard in humanoid robotics. In the area of humanoid robot research, UBTech has been developing and advancing Walker with consistent upgrades the humanoid robot 4 times in only a 5-year span of time. We at UBTech are proud to be able to demonstrate the newest technologies with Walker X and look forward to continuing our mission of bringing a robot into every home and business, said the company in a press release. UBTech also partnered with top research organizations including Tsinghua University and the RoboCup Federation to promote AI robotic innovations for the future inventors of the world. That's all for this video, folks. See you another time.